We often search for complicated solutions to improve our well-being. We buy expensive equipment, try restrictive diets, or seek out gurus for guidance. But what if I told you that one of the most powerful tools for a healthier and happier life is already at your disposal? What if that tool is as simple as taking a walk? Walking, my friends, is an often overlooked superpower. It's free, accessible to almost everyone, and comes with a remarkable array of benefits for our physical, mental, and emotional health. No gym membership required, no fancy gear needed, just you in the open road or park or treadmill or even your own living room. Think of walking as a mini vacation for your body and mind. As you move your legs and breathe in the fresh air, you're giving yourself the gift of rejuvenation. It's a chance to escape the demands of daily life, to reconnect with yourself, and to simply enjoy the feeling of being alive. So if you're looking for a simple yet effective way to enhance your well-being, I invite you to lace up your shoes and join me on this journey of rediscovering the power of a good walk. Let's explore together how this humble activity can unlock a world of benefits and lead us towards a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Let's talk about the physical perks of putting one foot in front of the other. Walking is like a gentle but effective workout for your entire body. It gets your heart pumping and your blood flowing, strengthening your cardiovascular system and reducing your risk of heart disease. Regular walks can help you shed those extra pounds and maintain a healthy weight. It boosts your metabolism, burns calories, and tones your muscles, all without putting excessive strain on your joints. But the benefits go beyond weight management. Walking improves your balance, strengthens your bones, and increases your flexibility and endurance. It's a full-body workout disguised as a leisurely stroll. Think of walking as a gift to your future self. By incorporating it into your routine today, you're investing in a healthier, more energetic tomorrow. Now let's step into the realm of the mind. Feeling stressed, anxious, or simply mentally drained? A walk can be the perfect antidote. The rhythmic motion of walking has a calming effect on the nervous system. It releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in our brains that act as natural stress relievers and mood boosters. Walking, especially in nature, allows us to disconnect from the constant digital stimulation that bombards our minds. It provides a much-needed mental break, allowing us to return to our tasks feeling refreshed and refocused. Moreover, walking can spark creativity and enhance cognitive function. The act of moving our bodies gets our creative juices flowing, helping us to think more clearly and solve problems more effectively. Section 4. Find your happy place on the go. Walking isn't just good for the body and mind, it also nourishes our emotional well-being. Remember that feeling of pure joy you experienced as a child while exploring the world around you? Walking can help us recapture that sense of wonder and appreciation for the simple things in life. Whether you prefer a solitary stroll to reflect on your thoughts or a walk with a loved one to deepen your connection, walking offers a chance to nurture our emotional selves. It's a time to process our emotions, practice gratitude, and simply be present in the moment. Walking in nature with its calming colors, soothing sounds, and fresh air can be especially therapeutic for our emotional health. It's a chance to connect with something larger than ourselves and to tap into the peace and tranquility that nature offers. Section 5. Embrace the journey. The beauty of walking lies in its simplicity. You don't need any special equipment, expensive gym memberships, or complicated routines. All you need is a pair of comfortable shoes and the willingness to put one foot in front of the other. Start small, even if it's just for 10 to 15 minutes a day, and gradually increase your time and intensity as you feel stronger. Make walking a part of your daily routine, whether it's a brisk walk during your lunch break, a leisurely stroll after dinner, or a weekend adventure exploring a new trail. Remember, the most important step is the first one. So, lace up your shoes, step outside, and embrace the transformative power of a good walk. Your body, mind, and spirit will thank you for it.